Okay, now I'm changing the front driver side brake pad on a 2020 Chevy Impala. The lug nut a 90mm bolt. Okay. All right. I'm going to push in the caliper with a flat screwdriver. Okay. 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 I think it's all the way in. Now with a 14mm socket, I'm going to remove the bolt for the caliper bracket. So this is off. These are 14mm. Now I'm going to remove the caliper bracket. This has a returning clip here that they are in good condition, so I will reuse them. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this brake pad, gently pry it out, spray to clean it up. Okay. And I'm going to place the new bracket in there. Okay, that's the new brake pad. And I'm going to remove this brake pad as well. Spray it down. Okay. Then install the new brake pad. Okay, they are both in. So I will just put back the returning clip. This is coming out already. I don't know if I should just keep it out or leave it in there. This is another returning clip. Okay. Alright. Alright then. Bring back the caliper. Alright. That's it. Now I'm just going to put the bolt back. And that's how you do it. It's like 5-minute job, maximum 10 minutes. you can save money and do it yourself. So all right, tighten it up. Okay. Wow. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment. Thank you.